I'll show you how to connect the iEAST SoundStream at the first time and make it work. Firstly, you have to connect the power cable to the USB port, and this is a stereo. Connect to your speaker. Now it's connected, and for the second step, you have to download the iEAST Play apps in your Apple Store or Android Google Play Store. Let's check it out. It's searching the device in your home environment because it's your first time, so there are no device found it. You have to choose Add Device, and the apps will ask you to press the WPS button on the player, this one.
Searching for Wi-Fi connection.
SoundStream will search your home router itself after you click the press WPS button, and it will pop up this router type password menu. This is my home router name. Let's type the password. Click Connect. It takes around 8 to 10 seconds. Make SoundStream connect to your home router.
Waiting for Wi-Fi connection.
And you will have the voice reminding message when it's connected or it's connecting. As you hear.
Wi-Fi connected.
Oh, good, it's connected.